Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales, and this is a rare find. This is a 2017 Mazda 5 6-seater. I don't know, is this a van? I don't know what this is. It's a hatchback, it's a van, whatever it is. At the time and still currently, it is a very unique vehicle. We are going to take you on a tour of this vehicle right here at OMS, just as if you were with us on the lot from the comfort of your own home. Now, underneath the hood, we have a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine connected to a 5-speed automatic transmission. This Mazda 5 has just over 184,000 kilometers with no accident history. Now you can see from the side profile here the unique shape. Those are sliding doors on the side in the back as well. We're going to continue around to the exterior, but then we'll go into the inside so you can see what that looks like for your kids in the back. Nice looking rear tail lights. We have rear sonar on the back, good looking hatch, and then opening up the trunk. With that third row up, there is still some room for some groceries. If you were gonna take 4 kids grocery shopping, that's up to you. But there's still room for a couple overnight bags, things like that. Now, we can fold down these rear seats really easily by pushing this. And then you can see you do have a really flat cargo system. So you could fold one side or both sides down. And then you have tons of space with some really nice comfortable captain's chairs for the second row. Folding it back up, we're back to our 6-passenger. All right, now coming around to the passenger side, again, this is in really, really nice shape. You might have noticed that we do have the Mazda crossbars up top, so you can put up there some accessories, bikes, kayaks, canoe, whatever it is. We've got nice looking 17-inch alloy wheels as well. And then coming around to the front, good looking headlights and then fog lights down below. Now, as part of your purchase of this Mazda 5, we also will be giving you 4 free oil changes on us, compliments of OMS. And now let's go look at this. This is so cool, so unique. These sliding doors in the back, and then have a look at the captain's chairs in the rear. We have leather seating, perforated seats, red piping, armrests on both sides. These are sliding seats as well, so they'll slide forward and recline back to make sure that everybody's nice and comfortable. And then in the back, still lots of legroom. If I were to flip this forward and slide it forward, look at how much legroom there is with that seat in a relatively neutral position in the second row. So there's lots of room, contrary to what you would think from the outside, but they've done such a good job. We've got your rear heating and air conditioning controls back there. Closing this up, same nice comfortable seats up front. Again, with that red stitching or the red piping, still have the armrests here. Height adjustable driver's front seat. Floor mats. It's a really, really nice car. Very unique, very cool. Up front, leather wrap steering wheel. We have our Bluetooth controls, radio controls, cruise controls on the other side. And then in the odometer there, you see 184,887 kilometers. Our infotainment system is up top. You can see your climate control and your radio. We have I believe a 6 CD player, also capable of playing MP3s, if you remember those, so you can load those up and drop your discs in for you if you like. We have USB support as well. And then our automatic climate control is right there. Our gear selector. And then right here we have our USB port. And then we even have driver and passenger heated seats. Our nice cup holders. Everything's nicely, neatly laid out. I mean, this is going to serve a purpose for a family for a long time. This is a great vehicle that you can buy, bring your friends, family, kids along, really have a great time, and then later on upgrade. But this is a great vehicle for that. Here's our Carfax 17 Mazda 5 Grand Touring, no accidents reported. That's what we want to see. 9 service records on file. You can view that as well. But what you really need to do is come down here and view this in person. Take it out for a test drive. It's a lot of fun to drive. It's super practical. It's priced extremely well. And I don't know how long it's going to last here at Ontario Motor Sales. These don't usually last on. They are a very popular vehicle. So once you've done watching this, you can click reserve now on our website to reserve this vehicle, or just come down here, take a look at it in person, and then you will really fall in love. So thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you here at OMS.